From overtrading to precision, the mindset shift that changed everything. Let me ask you something. You open your trading app, told yourself, today I'll be disciplined. And then one trade turns into three, three turns into seven, seven turns into you don't even know anymore. By the end of the day, your account is bleeding, your mind is exhausted, and you're asking yourself, why do I keep doing this? You didn't plan to overtrade, but somehow it always happens. You chase one setup, miss another, jump into a random trade, and before you know it, you've traded your way into losses. If that sounds like you, then this video is going to hit hard. Look, here's the thing. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact mindset shift that took me from overtrading to precision trading and how it completely changed everything. Because once you understand this, you'll stop forcing trades, you'll stop reacting emotionally, and you'll start trading like someone who actually gets paid from the market. And listen, if this video helps you see your mistakes clearly, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, because this could be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. The addiction no one talks about. Let's be honest. Overtrading is not a strategy problem. It's an addiction. Here's what most people don't realize. Every time you open a trade, your brain releases dopamine. It feels good, even if you lose. That's why you keep trading, not because the setup is perfect, but because your brain is chasing that feeling. The market doesn't reward activity, it rewards discipline. But most traders, they confuse activity with productivity. The stat that will wake you up. Research in trading behavior shows that traders who trade more frequently tend to perform worse. In fact, some studies suggest that the most active traders underperform the market by a significant margin. Now think about that. The more you trade, you lose. My overtrading phase. Let me tell you the truth about my journey. I used to believe more trades equals more opportunities, so I traded everything. Breakouts, pullbacks, news, random setups. If price moved, I was in. And guess what happened? I lost. Not because I didn't know what I was doing, but because I was doing too much. The math of overtrading. Let's break it down. Ex-overtrader, old me. 20 trades per week, risk $50 per trade, win rate 45%. Results? Wins 9 times 100 equals 900. Losses 11 times negative 50 equals negative 550. Profit equals 350. Sounds good, right? But wait, because reality is different. Emotional adjustment. Winners cut early to $70. Losers extended to negative $80. New results? Wins equals $630. Losses equals negative $880. Net, minus $250. Same strategy, same market, different behavior equals different outcome. The real problem, impatience. Look, here's where it gets really interesting. You're not overtrading because you're stupid. You're overtrading because you can't sit still. Your brain hates uncertainty. It hates waiting. So it pushes you to act, even when you shouldn't. Quote, patience is not the ability to wait, but the ability to keep a good attitude while waiting. And most traders, they don't have that. The shift to precision. Everything changed when I realized this. I don't need more trades. I need better trades. Let me say that again. More trades does not equal more money. Better trades equals more money. That's when I stopped being a busy trader and became a precision trader. what precision really means. Precision trading is simple. You wait, you observe, you execute only when conditions are perfect. Think of a sniper. A sniper doesn't shoot randomly. He waits, studies the environment, and takes one precise shot. That's how you should trade. Why most traders fail here. Now, you might be thinking, but if I wait too much, I'll miss opportunities. Look, that's fear talking, FOMO. Here's the truth. The market will always be there, but your capital, that won't. The identity shift. This is where everything changes.
Old identity. I need to trade daily. I must catch every move. Let me stay active. New identity. I only trade when it's clear. No setup, no trade. I get paid to wait. Amateurs trade often. Professionals wait. How to transition to precision, step by step. Limit your trades. Max 1 to 3 trades per day. This forces discipline. Define your A+ setup. If it's not crystal clear, it's not tradable. Use alerts. Stop staring at charts. Let the market come to you. Accept missed trades. This is huge. Missing a trade is better than forcing one. Every time you feel the urge to trade, write it down. This builds awareness. There was a week where I only took 3 trades. That's it. Before, I would have taken 20+ trades. And guess what? That week was more profitable than my busiest weeks. That's when it clicked. It's not about how much you trade, it's about how well you trade. Here's the truth most traders avoid. Overtrading is expensive. Precision is profitable. If you don't control your actions will control your results. So next time you feel the urge to jump into a trade, pause. Ask yourself, is this precision or impulse? Because that one question can save your account. And look, if this video helped you shift your thinking, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Because the difference between struggling traders and profitable traders is not knowledge, it's discipline. Stop trading more, start trading better.